The light fraction extracted from the rest of the waste is transported to the heating plant. The Celje heating plant is located on the northeastern rim of the town of Celje in the industrial zone. Around 20,000 tons of pre-processed municipal waste and 5,000 tons of sludge from the central wastewater treatment plant Celje enter the thermal treatment procedure annually, with the overall average calorific value reaching up to 16 megajoules per kilogram. The thermal power of the combustion plant is 15 megawatts, which produces 2 megawatts of electrical power. The electrical power is routed to the distribution network, while the heating power is used in the remote heating system for the eastern part of the town of Celje. The Celje heating plant applies the following procedures of thermal treatment. The adequately prepared waste is transported to the heating plant. The waste and sludge are dosed into the combustion plant in a 4:1 ratio. The next step is a staged combustion of waste and extraction of ashes. The released heat is utilized for the production of electrical power and heat. The smoke gases are purified according to the content of harmful substances. The residue after the thermal treatment includes ashes and slag, up to 2,200 tons, filter residues, up to 1,200 tons, saturated coke, up to 120 tons per year. Ashes and coke are not considered as dangerous waste material. Therefore, they can be deposited at the landfill or used in construction. Filter residue is a result of the purification of the smoke gas and contains increased quantities of metals and salts. It is therefore classified as dangerous waste. Its removal is carried out by the waste recipients or processors trained and authorized to provide services in connection with dangerous waste management. The anticipated impact on environmental strain complies with environmental standards and environmental regulation requirements for such plants. This combustion technology is distinguished by the controlled combustion process and the low dust emissions in the smoke gases. This positively affects the reduction of the catalytic processes of harmful substances being produced during the smoke gas cooling process, resulting in smaller quantities of residue after smoke gas purification. The purification of the smoke gases includes the separation of particles, nitric oxides, acid gases, and potentially present organic substances or heavy metals. Effective and safe operation is ensured by the electronic management of the processes and emission monitoring, which enables prompt reactions in cases of a temperature decrease in the combustion point, as well as increase of pollutants in the smoke gases. Regional Waste Management Center Celje includes a modern administrative building and other infrastructure, such as a car washing facility for washing waste lorries and containers. External arrangements and internal communications have been built. The construction of the Regional Waste Management Center has been financed by the included municipalities in the Savinska region with co-financing from the European Union, the Cohesion Fund, and the Republic of Slovenia. The overall value of the Regional Waste Management Center in Celje is €50 million, of which the Cohesion Fund contributed €29.2 million. Transparent and two-way communication of the investor with all the stakeholders, especially with the local population, and the promotion of responsible waste management was vital for the successful implementation of the project. The contractor, Niveau Celje, carried out the construction of the Regional Waste Management Center Celje project, excluding the heating plant, under the supervision of the investor, the municipality of Celje, and an engineer. After the handover of work, the project was run by Symbio, Družba za ravnanje z odpadki, a public enterprise now acting as the operator. The construction of the Celje heating plant was carried out by the contractor, a consortium of companies including KIV Vransko, CMC, and Molière, under the supervision of the investor, the municipality of Celje, and an engineer. After the handover of the facility, the operator of the Celje heating plant became Energetika Celje, which has been granted a concession for implementing the obligatory public government service of municipal waste incineration for a period of 15 years. Regional Waste Management Center Celia is an investment for the present and the future. This project brought a breath of fresh air for a clean environment to the region.